Welcome back to another cleanup. In this video I want to clean up all the trash that has piled up here in front of the bridge. There's styrofoam, there are a lot of bottles, deodorant. To do that I brought my fishing net, an extension pole and my gripper just in case to get everything out. This is what it looks like when it is assembled. There we go. First piece of trash for today. Styrofoam. There we go. The glass bottle. Styrofoam. Oh, the bottle is filled with water. Might be a bit hard to get it out, but there we go. Another plastic bottle out of the river. Yes. Another plastic bottle. Here we go. The problem with the bottles that are filled with water is that they are really heavy, and my fishing net here is a bit broken and I'm a bit worried that it might break. Here's another deodorant. Of course, a lot of styrofoam. And another glass bottle. Definitely not supposed to be here. I think I said it before, but someone upstream has a serious alcohol problem. There's so many of these little hard liquor bottles. I would really love to get those huge pieces of styrofoam over there, but the river unfortunately is a little too deep today for my gum boots, so I hope that stays there for the next time. Another tennis ball. Come on! No, 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 no. Yes! There we go. Come on, go in. Yes. Another plastic bottle. Unfortunately, this is everything that I can take out today because, well, I've got two problems. The first one is that my fishing net is almost completely broken and all the stuff just goes through here and most of it doesn't end here, so that's not ideal. And The other problem I have is that it's not very stable. The poles I connected here, they tend to rotate, and yeah, it's very hard to get something when the pole is always rotating. So that's it for today. It wasn't as much as I would have liked to get out, but it's still great to see the river a bit cleaner than before.